yeah. I think he really enjoys his bath time. Keep you nice and warm. Lay a blanket across your chest. Oh yeah. How's that for a nice bath? Look at his face. He loves bath time. Sometimes he gets mad. Hey buddy. Oh buddy. I'm Buddy in the bathtub. I'm Buddy in the bathtub. Buddy in the water. Yeah, feels good in your feet. And your little private parts all clean now. Alright, sit up. Big egghead. It's a little cold, huh? Yeah, egghead. Okay, we ready? Ready for dry off time? Relax, put your arms down for a minute. Daddy, you're stepping on the towel. Move your foot. Kev.